Fear is only temporary, regrets last forever. This trip is a perfect embodiment of the quote. To start with, I started with the fear of riding solo and fear of elevations. But then again, I had to overcome it in order to ride for the peace and tranquility towards the Izu, to avoid the regret of not having ridden to Izu in a perfect climatic conditions. This ride was particularly challenging because I had to ride down in the notorious hot summers of Japan and climb the elevations of 2500 meters to reach the destinations I had set out for. Adding to this, several of these roads were unmarked, leading to a chaos which I actually enjoyed. This is the road towards Manazuru and Odawara. I hope this is the right route. I don't know, I just took this route. But what made the whole process or whole ride enjoyable was that these unmarked roads led to some of the most beautiful places with some of the incredible history behind them. These are the majestic Mitsuishi rocks from Manazuru. They are tied using Shimoda, a sacred thread in Shintoism. Apart from the unmarked roads, elevations of 2500 meters was particularly taxing to climb due to summer heat and coastal humidity. Adding to this difficulty were the tunnels, which were really long and scary. Okay, I just crossed that 0.5 kilometer tunnel and I'm right now standing on Route 135 and I am around 12 kilometers from Ito, and you can see Ashwa is just taking some kind of rest here. He's fully loaded. He is also tired, I believe. I am as well tired, but I think I've set out a challenge when I started in the morning to ride till Ito, come what may, and I think I'll be succeeding in that. Despite the elevation, heat and all the difficulties, one key thing that kept me motivated to ride on were the beautiful nature and sceneries that Izu had to offer. Izu never, even on a single moment, failed to impress or mesmerize me with the beauty she had to offer. This was one of the key motivation for me to keep riding. Speaking of the nature, the waterfalls from Kawazu were fresh and offered a sense of relief to my eyes even in the blazing heat of 1 p.m. in the afternoon. This was an amazing sense of relief that I had never experienced before. The route and the ride, the difficulties and the scenic nature, along with the sun, sand and sea, is what I would like to present in this series, Ride to Izu. Izu ride has finally started. I'm glad that I made this decision. At least the first day is going great, and hopefully this trip ends this way. And yeah, let's see how the weather treats us and how the route treats us. So till then, I'll see you on the road. Come along with me to the ride of Izu. Next episode will stream on 22nd of August. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to turn on the notifications. See you then. See you next week. Bye bye.